What's up, guys, gals, hags, and fags?
Before we begin, thank you. Thank you, oh, thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Hey, you know, a lot of people will say it, but how many will say it to you face to face? I love you. Okay, well, my mother's birthday is coming up, and I promised her I wouldn't post my invention, the thong cleaning device. Or the skid mark fix. So I figured, why not just go ahead and post my toe warmers?
All the links are posted in the description.
Okay, it's mail call time again. Yeah. All right, thanks for the stop, drop, and roll. That's where you stop, watch the whole video, you do a thumbs up and share. Yeah, the whole 9 yards. So thank you for that, and I have a mail call here for you. I have 6, count 'em, 6 stickers to get up on the board. So let's get going. Okay, first let me say that this is mail call for 5. I thought it was 6, but Steve and Connie, God bless them, they sent me 2 sets. They figured since I hadn't got back to them that I never received their magnets. But here it is. It says, visit us at Yard Zoo. And that is Steve and Connie, AZ711. Steve, AZ711. And Connie, AZ21. All right, magnets. Put them right here, huh? There we go. Already got a sticker up, magnet up. All right, with the extra magnets, I'll probably put some double-sided tape, get one up here on the board. All right, thanks, Steve and Connie. All right, another one I got here is one I've been waiting for. All of these I've been waiting for. I've seen you guys on other channels, and I was jealous. Finally, I'm starting to get them. So, thank you guys. This here is oldBRATTrider. There's his sticker. Little note here with it. Greetings, Pappy. A new addition for your sticker board. Much enjoy your videos and great sense of humor. Enjoy the day and keep the camera rolling. Chuck, aka oldBRATTrider. Love this guy. Okay, we'll get that up on the board. All right, another one here from Knox Forge. Right here, I put his sticker, or his magnet right here.
No panties because they never fit. So I guess you just freeball it.
Plus 2 stickers. The magnet is for the toolboxes, and the stickers from Knox Forge. Oops. Get her. Pretty cool. 2 of them. All right. Another one I've been waiting on. Finally got it. I've been jealous of you guys that have these. Straight 6 fan. That'll be going up on the board. Got a note here from Grant. He's in Kansas, by the way. Just one state over here from Iowa. All right, Pappy, long overdue, but happy to finally be able to get a sticker out to you. You're essentially YouTube's Red Green Show. You crack me up. I can't believe it took me this long to realize you're just up in Iowa. Keep the piped in laughing coming. AKA Grant, AKA Straight 6 Fan. Well, thank you, Grant. Appreciate the sticker. And here's another one, the last but not least, H&H Country. Here's his sticker. Well, it's a magnet. Like, share, and comment.
And subscribe.
That's what we like. And there we go. I have plenty of toolboxes I could put these on, but I thought, hey, until I get so many of them, right here's all the magnets I have. All right, the stickers are on the board. I've got them on here on the front of my stand.
Go ahead and check out these channels. I have their links posted in the description of this video. There's oldBRATTrider. There's H&H Country. Hard Knox Forge. Straight 6 Fan. And Steve AZ711 and Connie AZ21.
You know, mail calls are one of my favorite videos to do. I really enjoy them. And thank you for coming to the corner today. Well, there you have it. Pappy's mail call number 4. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.